2-inch and 4-inch economy recessed round and square 3CCT LED from Lights by Lotus. Regressed optics with low glare. Available with smooth and baffle, white and black reflectors. 2-inch, 8-watt, up to 610 lumens. 4-inch, 15-watt, up to 1420 lumens. CRI 90 Plus for true color rendering. Fits in limited ceiling space. Airtight and damp location approved. Driver inside connection box. No junction box needed. Fast and easy to install. Save on labor. 36-degree beam angle. 3 CCT user selectable, 3000 Kelvin, 4000 Kelvin, and 5000 Kelvin. Dimmable down to 20% with most Triac dimmers. Available accessories: mounting plates, low voltage cables for remotely mounting the driver. Black trims available by custom order. ETL listed and ENERGY STAR certified, 3-year warranty.